Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a Bosch hammer drill not hammering, selector switch and gear fix. Fix 1 is check the hammer drill selector switch. Turn off the drill and unplug it or remove the battery, then move the selector switch fully to the hammer mode. If the switch feels stuck, move it back and forth a few times. Then test the drill again on concrete or masonry. Second one is make sure you are using the right drill bit. Check that you are using a masonry bit. Then insert a bit completely into the chuck. Tighten the chuck or loose the SDS bit properly. Then try drilling into concrete to see if the hammer action works. Third one is clean the selector mechanism. Turn off the drill and remove the battery or unplug it. Then wipe away dust and dirt around the selector switch. Move the switch several times to lose any debris. Then test the hammer mode again. Fourth one is check the mode change while the drill is stopped. Stop the drill completely. Change the selector to hammer mode. Never force the switch while the motor is running. Turn the drill on and test it again. Fifth one is inspect the gearbox. Unplug the drill or remove the battery. Then open the housing only if you are comfortable doing so. Then check for worn gear, broken part or dried grease. Then replace damaged gear or apply fresh gear grease if needed. Thanks for watching.